you can do a coconut chai. Over here, people have just walked past the front of the house and looked in. Over here are a number of cardboard tubes. Yeah, see them? What you need now is coconuts. Oh, first thing to do, lift away any ornaments that might be breakable. And then, get some socks rolled up and use them as coconuts. Put them in the coconut tube, and then with the socks that you prepared earlier, see if you can knock them over. How many do you think I'll get? I've got 3 balls. Let's see if we get them all down. You ready? Not out of 1. Yay! 1 out of 2. 2 out of 3. There you are. Simple coconut chai. Don't be shy. Play coconut chai. Bye bye.